Good morning, I am the mainly digger. I pointed way off there, I don't know. Good morning, I'm the mainly digger. We are back at Pleasant Point Park in Belgrade, or Oakland, Belgrade Lakes region. I'm here with my minions, my two kids, so they can play and get outside off their screens. Good times. And I'm metal detecting today, so we'll see what I find. Mainly dig out.
Before I start this video, let's talk about Operation ReBoot Outdoors. Operation ReBoot Outdoors is a nonprofit organization. This nonprofit organization has one mission, and it's to get veterans and law enforcement officers back out into the Maine woods, to take them hunting, fishing, just to get them out. Here's some of their merchandise. All profits from this merchandise go to their mission. Join the ReBoot Nation. You can join the Operation ReBoot Nation by subscribing to their channel on YouTube.
So at one point I did some research on this place. It was a campground. In the 90s it was a campground, and it was given to the town to take over as it had a fishing, or it had a boat launch, and I haven't found the boat launch yet, but I can see where the boat launch was, which is right over there. But I found this fishing wader, which is cool. First find of the day. I am using my wrist watch view to hold the GoPro, which is awesome. I'll put a picture in that of that. Just a different view. It's easy going. Random piece of metal. We are the only ones here right now, which is awesome. Lou watching out over the water. Ooh, just found a 22 shell. 22 long. 1982. Oh man, look how green that is. That is awesome. I'll clean it off and see what it is. First wheat penny of the day, 1950 something. You can see it's a wheat cent on the back. Clean that bad boy up. But I love the green. 1983. My oldest stated, still boasting about the V nickel that she found, but it is not as old as the coin that she found. Gigi has her first surface find. Look at that bad boy.
Actually, I found it.
Always killing it, Lou. Always killing it. All right, found this on the ground. Surface find. Look how green that one is. I will clean it off and see what the date is. Oh, you can see it's a memorial. But I will clean it off. So yeah, I'm not gonna scrape it off the whole way. It's not a wheat penny, so it's not that old. It could be obviously a memorial penny, but it could be a transitional penny. Who knows? Anyway, Lulu's still talking smack. So the public swimming area is over there, and the parking lot, or not the parking lot, the park is, part of it is over there. This is a playground, or not a playground. Oh my goodness, I can't talk. This is a baseball field. So we're going to detect the baseball field for a minute. Oh, clump, still in the clump. My 4-year-old's talking mad smack over there. She's getting sick of being here. It is a penny from 2004. On the baseball field, diamond, and I found a penny. Can't really tell the year because it's probably from the 90s. It's kind of crusty. So we are at a new park. My kids are all the way over there chilling. Kind of done with the digging. But different park, different area. Actually, I've been here before, last digging season, and had a good day, and then couldn't find anything the next day. So I'm gonna clean this penny off. This is the first coin of this park. So we'll see what it is. 1974. That is pretty cool. Very unusual find. This is a Euro cent. We are in Maine. That is cool though. Very cool. Another one. Always check your hole. Always check your hole. All right, Gigi, hold it up for the camera. Very cool. Who dug that hole?
You.
You dug that hole. I helped you, but you dug that hole, right?
Uh-huh.
Good job. Coin's pretty crusty. Pretty sure it's another euro or foreign coin.
Hold this, Daddy.
Yes, you can hold that too. So it's same spot, same area. So Gigi dug the hole with a little assistance from me, from Daddy. Look at that. So you get another euro, another 50 cents, round the same hole. That is awesome.
I want to hold it.
You are holding it, G. So that another euro, another 50 cents. Like, that's a coin spill. Literally a coin spill. Crazy. Like, I wonder who was here who had euros. Who knows? Anyway. So I've been told to no longer call my helpers minions. So they will be my helpers from now on. Lou. So we found this stuff. A couple of pennies. Modern day clad. A 22 shell. A couple more pennies. A fishing weight. Pennies from 1974. Wheat pennies. A wheat penny. I always love wheat pennies. And a bunch of foreign currency, a bunch of euros in Maine, which is unusual. It's not unlikely, but it's unusual. But that is my roundup. Mainly digger out.